Before you begin, be sure your car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2022 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid is very easy to replace, likely one of the easiest of any car. No tools are required and it can take less than a minute. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the top of the engine. There's a tab on either side and you simply turn these two tabs and lift the cover open. Underneath it you can see a large filter that's simply laying on top of the box assembly. To remove it, simply lift it out. It really is that simple. Replacing the filter is just a reverse order of the removal, taking care to make sure that you seated it properly so that all the latches close easily and the door closes tightly. That's it. You're done.